In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is access Photos app and hold one of your photos in Photos or Albums section. Then to delete multiple, use this type of icon at the top right corner. And to select some that you wish to keep, click on them. To get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!